All right, so hi, Miss Lakina.
Hi.
Hi, baby. So what I wanted to show you is
Okay.
when you first started, this area here was all bald, right? Because there was no hair here, as you remember. So as you see, we've grown all this new growth in. Look at all these hairs in that area. But what I wanted to show you was back here, in the beginning, remember, I could not part because your hairs were so much shorter. And now I'm just showing that not only can I part them,
Oh my
but
goodness,
look at the inches you have
Oh my
way
God.
out to here.
Look at the comb, look at that.
See that?
Yes. Tanya.
I know, I told you
Oh
I
my
would grow
goodness.
your hair. It just
Look at
takes
that.
time, patience,
Yes.
and consistency. Even back here, look down, you had so much more thinness. This area here was all up through here, as you remember.
I do remember that.
So all of this has filled in. Your top has filled in. We had a lot of thinness up here. Where all of this growth now, you have full coverage of your head.
Oh
this
my
is just
goodness.
a part.
Look at
Right
that.
there. Yes. So even over here, this was also a trouble area from the wig wearing that you were doing over the years, but we're filling in this area now. You even have a hairline all the way out here now, all the way down to there. So all we got to do is just keep going.
Okay.
I'm waking up the scalp by massaging it and detoxing the buildup and providing you with all this new, all this new growth.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Don't go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't